Hello, New Yorkers. Henry George here. Our city's public housing needs nearly $80 billion in repairs. That's a lot of zeros. But don't worry, we've got some positive ideas to fix this. First, let's talk about ceasing the luxury tax abatement program. For years, we've been giving breaks to luxury developers. It's like giving a billionaire a free ride on the subway. I mean, come on. By ending this program, we can redirect those funds to where they're needed most, our public housing. Because if we don't, these buildings will start to look like they're auditioning for a post-apocalyptic movie. Next, let's allocate the 10,000 vacant lots to nonprofit community land trusts, CLTs. Imagine turning these empty spaces into affordable homes without the burden of high land costs. CLTs ensure the land is used for the public good, providing long-term affordable housing solutions. What about these vacant office buildings? About 17% of them are just sitting here collecting dust. Let's convert these into public housing or CLTs. It's like turning your attic into a penthouse. Why leave prime real estate unused? Converting these spaces will help bridge the housing gap and revitalize underused properties. Plus, it's a great way to put an end to the era of ghost offices. Forget about ghost offices. Let's talk about ghost hotels. These vacant hotels, 200 of them, are prime candidates for conversion into public housing, or CLTs. Why leave them empty when they can house families? Using these buildings wisely can help address the housing shortage and provide safe, affordable homes. There may even be a complimentary breakfast. Just a thought. From ceasing the luxury tax abatement to allocating vacant lots to CLTs, converting vacant offices and hotels, and implementing a land value tax, we have the tools to fix our public housing. Let's turn these ideas into action and make New York City a better place for everyone.